In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious blueberry cheesy biscuit dessert recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of biscuits, 1½ cup of blueberries, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. In a bowl, we're going to add in the softened cream cheese and we're going to mash together. Add in the powdered sugar and mix until everything is combined. Slowly pour in the heavy cream while mixing and mix until everything is combined. We're going to set this mixture to the side. To the blueberries, we're going to add in the sugar and we're going to mix until the blueberries are completely coated. Now we're going to open up the can of biscuits and take all of the biscuits out. We're going to cut each of the biscuits into 8 pieces. Now we're going to make sure that each piece is completely separated and we're going to add them into our cream cheese mixture. Mix the biscuits and cream cheese mixture and make sure that they're all evenly coated. We're going to pour this mixture into a baking pan and spread out evenly. Now we're going to top this with our blueberries. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to let it cool completely. Our blueberry cheesy biscuit dessert is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.